So I like spreadsheets. However, spreadsheets all are white and there's just a little bit of this tiny little gray line between each of the rows. Much better to alternate colored rows if we're doing a lot of looking for very specific data along a row. It makes it really easy to read. So we have like 2 and 3, we want different colors. So 3, I'll color here like orange. And then I'll take 2 and 3, I'll highlight them both. I'll copy them or Command C. And then I will go to 4 and do Shift+Command+Down. And that means I've selected every single row down. I'll right click and I can paste special format only. And that, to me, was always the original way to alternate rows of colors. However, there is a new way and a really quick way, which is just to go up to Format, Alternating Colors. And here on the right side, Google has provided us different styles, even for the footer and the header. We can just select these. Then we have default style, which will make the header a very specific color and then a lighter color for the alternating rows. Very cool, right? But what if your color isn't even in here and you're like, I want it slightly different? Well, here we have a custom styles section where we can pick the exact color we want and it'll alternate those colors. So instead of white and blue, maybe we want purple and blue. There you go. These custom styles makes this alternating colors way, way better than just these default styles. But I do like my hand done way as well. I don't know if I'll ever go to this alternating colors myself.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.